Hi everybody, Brandon here with Dyer Auto Group. Want to take the time to introduce to you our new Dyer Tire Program, which is essentially a $600 credit towards your next set of tires. Now that's going to come with any new or used car purchase at any of our locations. That $600 credit does have a maintenance schedule that you do have to keep up with, but we're going to be more than happy to go through all of that information for you to give you an idea of how it works. But all you have to do is keep up with tire rotations, alignments, miscellaneous tire maintenance. When you get ready for your next set of tires, as an extra piece of thank you, we're gonna give you a $500 credit towards your next vehicle purchase. All you have to do is have that maintenance schedule showing everything all up to speed. It's a very easy process. Just stop in at any of our Dyer Auto locations. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And of course, in the meantime, you can come here and check out all the cool inventory.